Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So what I want to do is real quick this. So Christmas is in about 20 days or so. So I know a lot of you guys don't know what we have in stock, so I do that every year. So let's go over real quick because we have a lot of cool stuff. Or to start, this is the Kyosho Inferno Neo. This is 1/8 scale, 4-wheel drive, nitro buggy. Then if we're already talking about nitro, we have here the Team Losi Nitro Buggy, also with a 21 engine, 4-wheel drive. Both of those are competition vehicles, they are amazing. Then we got here the Losi 8, but this is the Truggy. It's the stadium truck or Truggy, whatever you guys like to call it. This is a 28 engine, so it's a bigger Nitro. Then, more from Kyosho. We got over here the El Camino, and this is actually pretty cool El Camino, very scale, realistic looking. And then also from Kyosho, the 110 scale Hellcat, and this is the Dodge Hellcat with a lot of cool details on it. Then we have the Notorious that is on special right now, and then we have those FJ Cruiser Rock Roller. They are 118 scale. Then of course we have stuff like the Arma Limitless, and this is the version 1, and it's a kit that you have to assemble, and I think that the older kit already come pre-painted, and it was a little bit more value than the new one. It is more expensive. Then we have the ECX amp, we have the Red Kit Landslide, we have another Red Kit over here, the Shredder, and then we have the brushless Blackout, we have the 1/16 scale Red Kit, and then the Red Kit Piranha, and then we have also Arma 110 scale Arma Santen, and then you have 110 scale Red Kit Blackout. So if you want to see two different 110 scale of different companies with different ingredients, you have them right here. And this is just in the front of the shop. Then you got here the Arma Infraction BLX 3S, and of course you have the Big Rock, and then our special edition of the Arma Felony, the police car. Then we have the Arma Infraction Mega that it's a little bit slower, and of course we have Kyosho motorcycles, and then we have those helicopters from Blade, and we have a couple different one of those, and then this little Toyota Trailfinder 2, and of course we got Losi stuff, and we have airplanes, a lot of airplanes all over the place. And then we have this real cool thing over there. Let's go there. We have this jet ski. This is an RC jet ski from Kyosho. It's really cool. And then we have the Mini V roller that you have to put everything inside. And of course, let's continue here for a second. We have the Arma Typhoon. This is actually a combination of Team Losi Racing and Arma making the competition vehicle. And then we have the regular Arma Typhoon 3S. Then we have a rock roller for beginners, and then we have here, of course, Arma Granite 110 scale Everest, and then we have the Marksman Jeep from Red Kit Racing, and then right there we got over here the XL Wraith Spawn, and of course we have the team associated over here, the SC10, and then we have the Brutus, the Monster Jam RC truck. Then we have the Rift kit. The Rift kit is really cool, but you have to build it. It's come as a kit. They're about $2.99 right now, so they're a special deal. And of course we have the lowrider. This is a Chevy Monte Carlo outside, but we also have the 59 and the 64. And of course we have your 6-wheel drive electric rock crawler. And then we have boats everywhere. We have a lot of different boats. And then you have the Red Kit Racing Gen 8 Scout 2, and you have the Scout 2 in green. And of course we have the Super Baja Ray 2.0. We have the Arma Kraton 8S roller, and we have the Arma Notorious. It's actually the Outcast. They look the same. It's the Outcast 8S. And what else we got over here? We got here more Red Kit stuff. And then we have bodies. We have a lot of RC bodies, different colors, different sizes fitting, and we have different wheels and tires. So whatever you want, whatever cars you got, We have a lot of different wheels and tires, and we have parts for Redcat, Arma, and other brands. And of course, we have batteries from Power Hobbies. We have tons of different batteries from Power Hobbies. And all you need to do is come to our shop and see what will work for you. We're located at 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California, zip code 91344. And then we have a lot of airplanes. We have F-16, we have the Viper, we have the F-15 over there. We have a big F-4 Phantom, we have the Draco. We even have the Miss Geigo. We have a lot of different in here. We are completely stocked for you guys, and we open from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And please come by and see what you want. It's much easier than asking over the phone or actually asking us on a text to the phone or email. You physically need to see what you want to buy. You guys all invited, and we have of course different charger for batteries, from the cheaper one to the more expensive one. And then we have also upgrade motors and upgrade parts for rock rollers. So whatever you want, we got your back. See you on my next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And if you haven't done it yet, go to our website and register it, because we are giving a lot of free stuff, but most of you guys don't even know that it's there and not actually signing in to get free stuff. Bye.